Yeah, certainly. Yeah. So, my name is Tamtari. I'm a managing director of RX BITEC. We are the organizer of Manufacturing Expo. Yeah. So this year is Manufacturing Expo in the year 2026. It's the year 15 already that we have organized this show. But this show is an umbrella show that has 7 shows underneath. And the 7 shows are industry-specific shows. Yeah, actually, some of the shows have been organized for more than 30 years already. 32, 34. Yeah, so it's a variety. And the 7 shows, span across the industries like plastic and molding, die casting, electronics, automotive manufacturing, assembly and automation, which is about automation and robot system integration, surface and coating, and then also including the metrology and what else? Automotive manufacturing that we use. So FacTech, which is our youngest show that covers facility and factory management, energy management, and also waste and AI and cloud. Yeah. So as you can see that all the 7 shows address industry-specific innovations. Yeah, clearly that the key growth driver is the policy of the government, right? How the government support the manufacturing sector. But if we talk about manufacturing, it's a very broad term, right? So we do have so many key sectors, and clearly one of the main sector in Thailand is the automotive industry, right? So as Thailand used to be known as a Detroit of Asia, then it's clearly that we are the manufacturing hub of the automotive automobile, right? Whether it's car, pickup truck, even motorbike or trucks, right? So as the industry is changing or evolving from ICE, which is still a really big base and still doing a really good market growth, but the faster growth segment of the car is EV, right? Or the new energy vehicle, whether it's EV or hybrid or plug-in hybrid or whatsoever. So Thailand is also being adjusting. The government and the Board of Investment has quickly adjusted the investment policy, right, to actually promote a lot of the big brands, all the car manufacturers who are interested in investing or expanding, 30% or 1/3 of the industry GDP, right? So other than the automotive industry, we do have other major industries. Food is another fast-growing industry, and it's a core industry as well for Thailand, right? So as food is still growing, then clearly that the manufacturing for food manufacturing facilities also grows. And the other thing that I can add is that we also have lots and lots of growth for Thailand. I would say that we see a faster growth lately, like in the medical equipment, not like a major machine, but all these medical items, yeah, and also for aerospace. Thailand is getting better and better in. Well, clearly that we have to do a lot more work after the show, with the exhibitor or visitor survey. But we know for sure, as of now, is that Thai visitors or buyers, they are welcoming the Korean exhibitors, right? Because everyone knows that Korean technology is so advanced, right? Not only that the technology is so advanced, we all trust the quality of Korean brands. So whenever we have the Korean brands and the technology on our show floors, they are very well attended by the visitor. Visitor always want to talk to the exhibitor from Korea, right? Because they know that there's nothing to worry about. They just need to make sure that the innovation and all of the new things, new innovation that come and then display at our show floor meets their requirements, right? But Korean exhibitors are very popular. Definitely, because at Manufacturing Expo, we welcome the visitor from around the world, right? But yeah, clearly that the key focus would be in our neighboring country. So for this year, I have to check the final number, but we track that we already have the participation from 80 countries, right? And then, but the top 5 or the top 10 are from Asia. Yeah, Thailand is number 1 for sure, but we do have participation from Japanese, from Chinese, from Taiwanese, Singaporean, Korean, and also beyond that, we do have a growing number of the visitors from the West Asia, like India, Bangladesh, and also further to the Middle East as well, because those are the countries that have more and faster growth of the manufacturing sector, right? So we are not only the hub of the Thailand, but ASEAN, and we know that many visitors and also exhibitors as well use our Manufacturing Expo as a platform to connect with each other, to display their latest innovation. And definitely, again, we would like to invite all of the Korean exhibitors to consider Manufacturing Expo as one of the key platforms for Korean brands to really have a stronger brand exposure to the wider community around ASEAN and also Asia. And we hope to also connect the right buyers to the brands that would like to exhibit at the Manufacturing Expo.